Hey guys, it's Charlie from Fightfast. I'm back again with another street fight video. We got two people fighting in the middle of the street. If we've seen it once, we've seen it 1,000 times, but let's get into it. We also got a private Facebook group that I'll tell you about in the video. Let's go. Guy comes out of the car with no shirt on because everybody has no shirt on in the car. Completely normal. Oh, that guy's hands are already up. So that's definitely a sign, you know, like, oh. So it's up to you right now. The guy with the t-shirt has his hands up. As you being the guy with no shirt on, even though he walked up to the fight, as soon as you see that someone else is ready for the fight, we don't know what instigated this fight. There's no sound. So we're just watching a clip together. You guys don't have to kill me for watching a clip together and just giving my thoughts, but go ahead if you need to. Anyway, it's up to you right now what you want to do. His hands are up. That's your warning sign should be going up that guy is ready to fight. It's up to you now. Do you want to keep your distance? I would keep your distance even if you are planning to fight, because then it just gives you more time to react and think. But let's go ahead and play it some more. Oh, he did the little juking. He wanted to know. He wanted to do a power move. Like, if I do that little, can I get him to flinch? Because then he knows a whole bunch of things. One, is he quick? Two, is he scared? You know what I mean? It could go either way. Oh, but that guy goes right in after that flinch because he probably thinks the same thing. Like, that guy is willing to move on me, so I need to make the first move. He misses it. The guy with no shirt rushes him, but doesn't do anything. Rushes him again. Ooh, okay. So you know what? I've been looking at this wrong. Maybe we should be following the guy with the shirt, because the guy with the no t-shirt walked up towards him, so he put his fist up ready to fight. Then when he did try to get him to flinch, he knew that guy was starting to make the warning signs of he's about to move. So then he moved first. But then when the guy with no t-shirt started rushing the guy with the t-shirt, the guy with the t-shirt keeps on keeping his distance. So maybe I should be watching the guy with the one with the t-shirt. Did a swing and missed. Try to push his arm down. Trying to see if he's still scared by doing the flinching thing. That guy's keeping his arm out to make sure he's a little bit more than arm distance, but keeping his other arm close to his face. Oh, I did not. I thought he, like, missed him. I'm going to rewind a little bit so we could see that. So the guy with no shirt goes in for a swing, and he misses. And, the guy with the t-shirt did not. He did not miss, and then he takes a couple steps back, and he's down. Oh, look at him. And then he was going to hit him again, but he's giving him. Now he's just, like, kind of visualizing what's up, and he knows he got him. Yep, he got him. He got him. Good for him, though, for not, like, he knows he's not all there. He's barely walking, and you know what I mean? So he didn't go and just, like, get on top of him and kill him. He's like, nah, I got this. I could keep on visualizing what's happening, but I got it. I don't need to, like, well, here they go again, because the guy with no t-shirt's ego is going to get in the way and be like, I could keep on going even though he was walking funny for like 30 seconds. And he's going to do that little, are you going to flinch? Are you going to flinch? I don't know how many times. Man, that's like all he's doing. I guess to try to confuse him so that when he does punch that he wouldn't think that it's going to come. It's more of a cop-out. Just watching this with you guys in real time. He said, man, you're not worth the fight, bro. Oh, you're crazy. You just got knocked out. He's quick on his feet. Oh, and then they showed that guy's feet. I didn't mean him. I meant the guy in the socks with the t-shirt on. Yeah, it looks like they're just talking boo-boos now. Oh, shirt's coming off. You guys know what that means. It means it's realsies time. It's realsy. Oh, he's even pulling up the short shorts. He's going to put the Daisy Dukes on with no t-shirts, and you guys know what that means. No t-shirt and daisies. It means it's about to go down. That's it. The video's going to end, so I don't know what happened. Yep, the video. And he said, oh, man. I don't know why that guy keeps on saying, oh, man. Like, bro, you're the one that got knocked down. But anyway, and build a community, we got a new place to do it. We got a Facebook private group that if you join, we give you exclusive deals. And not only that, but it's a place for all of us to give each other knowledge on self-defense, survival, safety. That's all these videos have ever been about is, hey, please leave a comment. So if I miss something, I'm just a YouTube editor for Fightfast. If I miss something, you guys could give each other knowledge and hang out in the comments. Well, let's do it in a bigger, better way. Facebook private group, we could message every day or comment every day on a post. We could all hang out. We could all feed each other the knowledge. And, you know, all of us just get better at self-defense, survival, and safety with everything we got going on in there. We also got our fight enders that, you know, we always give away for free. That's in the link in the description as well. But I'm sure that fight enders will be, I think the videos are in the Facebook private group. So go join the Facebook private group. We'll all hang out and learn together. And let me know what you think about this video in the comments. Let me know about the guy no t-shirt and the guy with t-shirt. Let me know your thoughts of what they should do, shouldn't have done in the comments. And I'll see you guys next time, okay?